I have a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. We'll be changing the cabin filter, air filter. So we're gonna be changing the air filter. It's gonna be, just pop the hood, and right here is where the air filter is located at. So yeah, this is the air filter. There's a couple latch that we need to unhook. Oh, what the heck? Check that out. So yeah, we need to tighten this. This would cause a misfire. So whoever did it before, this thing wasn't tight. We gotta tighten this. So yeah, everything's clean. Just replace this. So this. Alright, so here's the new air filter. Just knocking in there. Make sure it's snug. And then make sure that the bottom it's properly intact. So you just push it down and then it should line up. The housing should line up. If it's not lining up, that means there you go. And then snap it back in the clips. Cabin filter for the Pathfinder is down here on the side panel. So just pop it off. Then it should be like underneath of the dashboard. Not sure. Let's see if y'all can see that. It should be right there. There's a little tab that y'all need to be pulling. You don't even see that properly. I think you can. So there's a tab here that y'all need to push it up, and then pull the cover out. Hold on, let me get the tools real quick. I'll be back. So just get yourself a little bit get yourself a small pry bar or a small pry. Just pry it here in the bottom so you don't break the tab. See that? That's the cover. So this is the cover. Just pry the bottom portion, and then so if you have a foggy defroster, when you put a car in defrosting mode or defroster mode and it's super foggy, you gotta change your cabin filter. If your car smells bad in the inside, probably because you need to change the filter as well. Yeah, so the location of this filter is on the passenger side underneath. That's where you go to, and it's gonna be underneath the dashboard, the glove compartment, not behind the glove compartment, which is not like the majority of the car. Just grab yourself a long nose if you can't get him out, and just, yeah, see, that's pretty easy with the long nose. Jesus Christ, look at that. Ugh. So yeah, this is the filter. Well, I think I'm gonna spray it with air hose, just because There's a lot of trees coming out, or a lot of leaves. Probably hasn't gotten changed before. It's been a while since it's changed. Just remember, just changing the L filter is not enough. You have all the leaves came off. Gotta change it, man. Gotta change it. Oh, yeah, what's that? Oh, that was a cockroach. Where's the cover at? The cover doesn't indicate where the arrow is going, so it's, well, it's a filter, so what you do is you compress the cabin filter. So it's gonna be a little bit of work, but it'll fit there. Okay. So you can bend it enough. There you go. And push it in. There's no indication of arrow, which is good, so you can place it however you want it. Once you got it installed, just put back the cover. It's gonna snap back in. You gotta hear it click. That's the end of the video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching till the end of the video. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.